we have a parallelogram. So that means opposite sides of the angles have to be equal. So I'm given that the bottom left is 60. That means this one also has to be 60. So I've got a four-sided figure, and a four-sided figure always has 360 degrees in it. And we've got 120 bottom left, top right. And if we find that subtraction, we're left with that difference. I'm left with 240. So that means this one's got to be 120 degrees, and this one's got to be 120 degrees. Now, your long diagonal is going to be this one. Okay? Your short diagonal, I'm going to draw it blue, will be that one. And we're trying to find the ratio, which is fraction, of the length of the short diagonal to the long diagonal. All right. So, what I've done, take this triangle. All right. And I've put it here. All right. Now, this angle will be, let me get back to black, will be 30 degrees because you took half of this one. And you took half of this one, and that's going to be 60 degrees. And where these meet, that has to be a right angle. Now, notice that this leg here is part of the short diagonal, right? This one here. And this angle here, this leg of the triangle, represents this leg, and it's part of the long. So this is a special triangle. It's a 30, 60, 90 triangle. Okay? And if this is 30, that looks bad, but pretend that's straight. If this bottom left angle is 30, and this one's 60, the side of the triangle opposite of the 30-degree angle will always be a 1. This is the ratio of the sides. So this will be a 1. And the hypotenuse, which is the side opposite of the right angle, will be 2. And this other leg will be square root 3. You've got to memorize that. So the ratio of the sides, the side opposite of the 30 is 1, the hypotenuse is 2, and this other leg is 3. All right. So with that said, let's think about our long and short. This is our long leg. Let me get another color. This is my long leg, okay? That's this piece here. But we've got two of those. I've got this one and then this side over here. So the long diagonal will be square root 3 plus square root 3. Now here's my short, which corresponds to a 1, which that right here would be, that leg would be a 1, but you've got two of them. So your short is 1 plus 1. That's the length of it. So let's find the ratio of the short to long. So short over long, the short is 2, 1 plus 1, and the long is 1 square root of 3 plus 1 square root of 3 is 2 square roots of 3. And of course, those 2's cancel, and you're left with 1 over square root 3, and that's answer D.